What is up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you the top 3 best free video editors you can get right now. And honestly, these are absolute game changers. There are so many good ones out there, but I've picked the best of the best just for you guys. But before we get into it, if you find this helpful, please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. Alright, let's get straight into it. So the first one is Lightworks. And don't let the website fool you, because this software is absolutely incredible. In my opinion, this is the closest free alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro you're going to find. It's powerful, it's smooth, and it handles professional level editing without costing you a penny. You can also upgrade to the Pro version if you ever need extra features, but the free version alone is more than enough to get seriously good results. Highly recommend giving this one a go. Next up, we have DaVinci Resolve. And guys, this thing is insane for a free tool. You've got your editing timeline, Fusion for motion graphics, and the full color grading suite all in one place. We're talking cinematic quality output completely for free. It looks professional, it feels professional, and once you get used to it, cutting and pasting clips becomes smooth and intuitive once you get accustomed to the workflow. If you'd like a comprehensive tutorial on downloading and installing DaVinci Resolve, simply click the link in the top right. And the third one is Shotcut. Super beginner friendly and packed with features. It supports a huge range of formats, has a really clean and intuitive interface, and even shows you all the key bindings right on screen so you're never lost. You can go through your footage frame by frame using the left and right cursor keys. It's that precise and easy to use. On top of that, the team updates it constantly, which tells you they're fully committed to making it better and better. Available on both Mac and PC, so everyone's covered. And that's it guys. Those are the top 3 free video editors you need to check out right now. All 3 are genuinely powerful and totally free to get started. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.